Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If your joints are feeling a little creaky, cranky, or just plain grumpy, today's video is made for you. We're talking about the top 5 plant-based proteins that can relieve arthritis pain, reduce inflammation, and have you moving and grooving again without reaching for that bottle of pills. And trust me, these aren't boring foods. We're talking delicious, powerful, and easy options you'll love. Stick around till the end because I'm also giving you quick recipes for each one to sneak these little healing heroes into your meals without stress. And hey, if you've been feeling like your joints are holding you back from doing what you love, gardening, dancing, or even playing with your grandkids, this video might just be the nudge your body needs. Okay, let's jump right into it. Before your knees complain, why plant proteins for arthritis? All right, before we dive into the juicy stuff, let's get nerdy for just 30 seconds. Why should you care about plant proteins if you're battling arthritis? Plant-based proteins, loaded with antioxidants, full of fiber that heals your gut, and yes, your gut is key for inflammation. Packed with vitamins and minerals that your joints literally beg for. When you eat plant proteins, you're not just filling your belly. You're feeding your body tools to rebuild, repair, and resist chronic pain. Animal proteins, often high in saturated fats and compounds that actually fuel inflammation. Sorry, cheeseburger fans. So, if you want less pain, more movement, and natural healing, loading up on plant proteins is a no-brainer. Now, let's meet the rock stars of the arthritis relief world. Number 1. Lentils. Ladies and gents, say hello to lentils, the tiny legumes with giant healing powers. One cooked cup has about 18 grams of protein, but that's just the beginning. Packed with fiber, which helps your gut and immune system chill out. Full of polyphenols, fancy compounds that fight cell damage. Loaded with magnesium and iron, critical for joint repair and reducing fatigue. Lentils are super affordable. You don't have to spend a fortune to eat like a superhero. Here's a quick recipe: speedy lentil power bowl. 1 cup cooked lentils, 1 handful baby spinach, 1 diced tomato, drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice, mix it all up, bam! Joint-loving meal in 5 minutes. And here's a little bonus tip: add a sprinkle of turmeric for an extra anti-inflammatory kick. Number 2, TEMPEH. TEMPEH is basically soybeans that have been fermented into a firm, nutty block of awesome. It's protein-packed and loaded with gut-loving probiotics. 20 grams of complete protein per serving. Naturally packed with probiotics to reduce inflammation. Full of isoflavones that protect bones and joints. And because it's fermented, TEMPEH is easier to digest, so less bloating like a balloon effect. Here is a quick recipe. Sauté TEMPEH with broccoli, bell peppers, and ginger. Splash with tamari sauce. Top with sesame seeds. Eat, smile, feel joints sigh in relief. You'll feel full and nourished without the crash. Plus, your gut will give you a virtual high five. Next up, chia seeds. Chia seeds are nature's secret weapon. Don't let their size fool you. These babies are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. 5 grams of protein in just 2 tablespoons. Massive dose of anti-inflammatory omega-3s, full of bone-strengthening minerals like calcium and magnesium. Omega-3s are the golden ticket. They literally calm down the inflammatory fire in your joints. Even better, chia seeds are shelf-stable, mess-free, and perfect for busy mornings. Here is a quick recipe. Chia berry pudding. 3 tablespoons chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk, ½ cup mixed berries, a splash of vanilla. Mix it, refrigerate overnight, wake up to magic. Breakfast that feels like dessert and heals your joints? Yes, please. You can even blend it into smoothies for a creamy texture and a mega nutrient boost. Sliding into 4th place, black beans. These mighty little legumes are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that actively fight joint pain. Black beans contain 15 grams of protein per cup. magnesium to relax muscles and calm nerves, fiber to clean up inflammatory debris in your gut. Plus, black beans are colorful, hearty, and make anything taste amazing. Tacos, soups, salads, you name it, they're like the cool friend who shows up and makes every party better and healthier. Here is a quick recipe. Speedy black bean fiesta. 1 can black beans, rinsed, half avocado diced, half lime squeezed over the top, fresh cilantro, boom, instant anti-inflammatory power on your plate. Tip: add a pinch of cumin or chili powder for flavor and extra joint-soothing benefits. And in the number 5 spot, hemp seeds. They might be small, but these little seeds pack a heavyweight punch for joint health. It contains 10 grams of complete protein in just 3 tablespoons, rich in gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, a rare fat that directly reduces joint swelling, loaded with magnesium, potassium, and iron for muscle relaxation and energy. GLA is like the secret bodyguard for your joints, reducing pain, stiffness, and swelling without harsh chemicals. And the best part? You can sprinkle hemp seeds on literally anything: oatmeal, salads, smoothies, or even toast. Here is a quick recipe. Joint healing hemp smoothie. 1 banana, 1 handful spinach, 1 tablespoon hemp seeds, half cup almond milk, a few ice cubes. Blend till creamy and feel the goodness flow. Honestly, it tastes like dessert. Your knees will be sending you thank you notes. If you're always on the go, this smoothie is your perfect portable joint relief meal. Bonus tips to maximize your arthritis relief naturally. Alright folks, now that you know the foods, here are 3 bonus power moves to make them work even better. 1. Rotate your proteins. Mix it up. Your gut loves variety. Different proteins mean different antioxidants and nutrients. Variety helps feed different strains of healthy gut bacteria that can lower systemic inflammation. 2. Add colorful veggies. Pair your proteins with colorful veggies. Vitamin C boosts collagen, essential for joint support. Think bell peppers, carrots, kale. They're not just pretty, they're powerful. 3. Hydrate like a boss. Water keeps your joints cushioned. Think of water like oiling a squeaky door. Your joints will thank you. Add a splash of lemon or cucumber if plain water isn't your thing. Stay hydrated, stay mobile. There you have it, folks. 5 amazing plant proteins that can help calm inflammation, soothe arthritis pain, and get you back to living your best life naturally. Eating this way is not just about removing pain, it's about bringing back energy, mobility, and joy. When your joints feel better, everything feels better. You show up stronger, brighter, and more you. Drop a comment below. Which of these foods are you excited to try first? I read every single one and love hearing your ideas. Don't forget to hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe so you don't miss more simple, powerful ways to heal your body naturally. And remember, every small choice adds up. 1 plant-based meal, 1 stretch, 1 good night's sleep. It's all moving you toward a stronger, pain-free you. Until next time, stay glowing, growing, and going strong.